Hello everyone, this is Kakuru Benard. Today I will be taking you through website designing. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. With website designing, we shall use a software called Microsoft Expression Web. So today's question says, you have been approached by a football club to design for them a website. Choose any club of your choice and carry out the following tasks. Save it as your name and personal number. So we are going to create a folder, and this folder we are going to save it as our name, Kakuru Benard. 082 is my personal number, so you enter. So from there you will click on start, choose all programs, click Microsoft Expression Web, click Microsoft Expression Web. And so from there you are going, this one you can close it. Then from there you will click file, come to new, choose website. So when you click website, you choose one page website. So from one page website you browse where you will save your work. So when you browse, click desktop. From here double click your folder and then you choose open. So click OK, wait for it to create your website. It is creating it. So from here you can right click on this folder, on this file. That is our default page. You choose rename, and so give this one homepage.html. HTML is a file extension for files of the web. So you enter and click yes. So it has created your first page. You can double click on it. So we are on the page. That is our home page. Design a nice looking home page for the team with the following features: heading, club name underlined, and font color green. So this means that here we are going to center our content, and we write there the club name. We shall use Liverpool Football Club. You can highlight it, bold it, font color that you want us to use green, and so you can increase font size to extra large. They told us to underline, you can as well do that. Then from there you can press enter and say that this is our home page. So this home page we can change color. If it is like that, you can remove underline, reduce the font size a bit. So press enter. They say that after this the background should be blue, a proper image on top of the page, brief notes in 3 paragraphs describing the theme. So here, from here, we are going to put a link. And so here, we can describe our theme. So we can say, this is our description for the theme in 3 paragraphs. We have described our theme. This is the information about our theme. This is the information about our theme. So after putting the information about our theme, we can as well come here and create a table for links. So how are we going to create the table for links? We are going to insert a table, insert table, rows 1, columns is the number of pages we shall create. So this question we are going to create 3 pages as follows. Page 1 we are calling it the home page. Page 2 we are calling it club players. Page 3 we are calling it form, an online form. So 3 columns. It can be on the center. Width of the table can be 45%. You can increase that. Borders can also be increased. Then you click OK. So here we can put home page. In there we can put club players. Here we can put our registration form. You can call it online form. And so you can select, click in your table, right click, go to modify, table auto format. So reaching table auto format, right click, modify, come and choose table auto format. So under table auto format you scroll down and click read one, so that everything is like that. So you click OK. So this table is like this. Still you can format this table to make it more attractive. You can come to table cell properties. So under cell properties you can increase their borders. You can have color. If I choose yellow, and so like that, you apply. Okay, so this is our this one we shall use it for linking. And so from there they told us also to have a proper image on top of the page. How should we have this image? So open Microsoft Word, you go to insert, clip art. So from here you can search pictures like ball. You click go, copy this image, you come to your expression web, you can paste it around there. After pasting you can describe it and say logo. This logo will appear top. Click OK. So modify this image, put it on top there and there. So here you can click on it, format, position, choose absolute, click OK. So using that kind of pointer, move it, can put it around there. So you can try to reduce it like that. So click on it, format, position, choose absolute, OK. That kind of pointer can help you to move it to its position like that. You can copy this image, you paste around this, format, position, absolute, click OK. Use the same pointer, bring this image top right. So below home page here you can bring what we call a horizontal line from here. Bring a horizontal line, put it around there, double click on it, increase width, make it solid. Color, you can change color to red, click OK. So this is what we call a horizontal line. So right click in your page, page properties, you come to this section, title is home page, and then formatting, background color, they wanted blue, click OK. And so after putting color blue, what do they want us to do next? B, include the table of contents on the home page. So what are we going to include here? We can include a table. We can include a table. We are going to include a table of contents. So go to table, insert table. Rows, we can have 4 rows. columns 2, let it be centered. You can have it around 95. You can increase that. Click OK. So right click in your table, go to modify, table auto format, scroll and choose grid so that it is like that. Click OK. So right click that, come to modify, choose merge cells so that in here center the cursor and say table of contents. Select it, you can bold it, increase font size. So after doing that, we can have our, we say home page. We have club players page. We shall have online form page. So describe it: home page, description of the team, then players name, club players, their names, position in the field, t-shirt number, and then online form, an online form for interested members to fill. So this we can change font size so that everything is clear. So this is our table. We are done with our table. You can save changes, click OK. So after saving, we are going to highlight this, and so we make another page. Highlight club players, right click, hyperlink, create a new document, call this club players, you click OK. And so here we have two pages: home page, club players. Under home page, you can select this information, select all, Ctrl A, copy, click here, paste the information so that we can edit the following. This, call it club players, can bold it, and then from here you can highlight this information, delete it. This you can copy, so from here paste. So this format, position, absolute, use that kind of to move there. So that under here we have club players. We are going to form a table. Go to table, insert table. They are telling us that on page 2, add a heading club players. Use a table to present the club players using player name, age, position, field, t-shirt number, and at least 4 players. So here rows, we can have 5 rows. We need 4. Columns, we can have 4. It can be centered. You can put it to around 90. Increase that and that one. Click OK. Right click in your table, go to modify, table auto format, move down and choose grid. Click OK. So that here we have player name. What else do we need? Age, position, age, position on the field, t-shirt number. And so if we begin to put our club players, so player name we can have Alison, aged 32, position is midfielder, and then t-shirt number 23. Player name we can also have Dijan, aged 28, position in the field is a defender, t-shirt number 47. Another player we can have Adrian, aged 34, position in the field is goalkeeper, t-shirt number 66. We can also have Adam, this one is aged 27, he's a midfielder, and t-shirt number 76. So this is our table for club players. So we can right click this and create a new page for online form. So call this online form. You click OK. So this is our new page. You can also highlight this information. We copy. So reaching here, we paste, so that we can only remove this table. You delete table, and so here we can say online form, bold it. So we can also put this ball, we got format, position, absolute, click OK, use that kind of pointer, move it around there. So under online form, we are going to put this form in form of a table, so you can center. So after centering, you come to table, insert table, rows 1, columns 1, it should be centered. We can put it to around 60%. You click OK. So this is our table. You can modify it. Right click, table auto format, move down and choose grid, click OK. It is like this. We can have our heading as online registration form. Press enter. We can put a horizontal line from here. You bring it and put it there. So you press enter, continue. You can have a form. You click form and put it there. So here we can have name, put colons, bring this input text, put it there. Then we have age, colons, also bring an input text. You can put sex. You also bring an input box, you put it there. press enter. Position, we also put it there. We can also bring t-shirts, put an input box, and then we can say hobby. Hobby, we can use a checkbox. You put it there, you say clubbing. Bring another checkbox. You say swimming. You can bring another checkbox. Reading. And so those are some of the hobbies we can mention. And so you can bring another text area for comment. You bring a text area for people to comment. So after you bring another horizontal line, you put it there, you press enter. You can bring the buttons. This one, you put it there, double click, and you call this send. It is for sending. Click OK. Click around there, create space. Bring this, double click on it, call this one clear. You click OK. And so this is our online form. This is our online registration form. So what is the next on our question? On page 3, a form for interested members to fill. Use a MAQUI to present your names as a designer. So we are going to introduce a MAQUI at the bottom here. So click MAQUI, which use the code section. And so it is. You can come around here and you open the tag and say MAQUI, cross the tag. So in there you can say designed by Kakuru, Benard 087. You cross the MAQUI, you go back to design. So this is the MAQUI. You can click on it. You can increase its font size. You can even change its font color. Yes, like that. So this MAQUI you can copy. You come to Club Players page, click at the bottom, you paste, go to home page, move at the bottom, click there, paste. So that is our MAQUI. And so we are going to do finally hyperlink your pages. So this table that we had to put on our pages, for example here, you are going to highlight this, right click, hyperlink, you choose existing, you choose home page, you highlight Club Players, right click, hyperlink properties, Club Players, select online form, right click, hyperlink properties, online form, go to Club Players, do the same, home page, hyperlink, home page, select this, hyperlink properties, Club Players, online, right click, hyperlink properties, online form, go to home page, you also do the same, select home page, right click, hyperlink, home page, double click this, right click, hyperlink properties, Club Players, this one, right click, hyperlink, online form. So click File, save all, a message appears, click OK. So we are done with website designing. and so everything is done. You can close. So this means that our folder here is our website. You can see the icon looks like that of a website. So you open your folder, and then from there open your home page. When the home page opens, it looks like that. And so this is our Makui. Click that link, it takes you to club players. Here we are. This is a table, and so this is a Makui. Online form. We are now on the form. What you see here, you can fill in information. You can fill in information. If your hobby is swimming, comment, you can say very good, like that. You send. So after sending, the information goes away. Another one can fill. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I remain Kakuru Benard. Goodbye.